Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have TOZO Golden X1 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your phone or other device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working and you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you do decide that you just can't get them fixed and you want to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good price on a highly rated pair. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing information so that you can just set these up as a new set of earbuds. It's really easily to do. All we need to do is put them in the case as shown here, leaving the case open, make sure they're well seated, and we're just going to come in and press and hold this button on the case for 15 seconds. So you're going to count to 15 seconds. Once you do that, you're going to release the button and then wait another 10 seconds for the reset to complete. Once that happens, you can go take them out and turn the Bluetooth back on or whatever and repair them with your device as though you're pairing a brand new set of earbuds.